Hey friends, so today I'm going to be talking to you about home remedies and how you can help cure yourself whilst being at home. So the first one is ginger. People use this in their cooking. However, this has been around for thousands of years in Asian medicine to treat stomach aches, diarrhea, and nausea. Studies show that it works for nausea and vomiting. There's some evidence that it might help with menstrual cramps too, but it's not necessarily good for everyone. Some people get tummy trouble, heartburn, diarrhea, and gas because of it, and it may affect how some medications work. So talk to your doctor and use this with care. The next one we have is a spice, turmeric. Turmeric has been hyped as being able to help with a variety of conditions from arthritis to fatty liver. There is some early research to support this. Other claims such as healing ulcers and helping with skin rashes after radiation are lacking proof. If you try it, don't overdo it. High doses can cause digestive problems. Next, we have honey. This natural sweetener may work just as well for a cough as over-the-counter medicines. That could be especially helpful for children who aren't old enough to take those, but don't give it to an infant or a toddler younger than 1. There's a small risk of rare but serious kind of food poisoning that could be dangerous for them. And while you may have heard that local honey can help with allergies, studies do not back that up. Last but not least, we have peppermint. Now, mint has been used for hundreds of years as a health remedy. Peppermint oil might help with an irritable bowel syndrome, a long-term condition that can cause cramps, bloating, gas, diarrhea, and constipation, and it may be good for headaches as well. More studies are needed to see how much it helps and why. People use the leaf for other conditions too, but there's very little evidence that it helps with any of them.